Hello and welcome. In the upcoming lessons, we're going to be building out an application from scratch that's going to take content from a Google spreadsheet and allow you to download it from your website as a CSV file. And when we open up the file that we just created, you can see that the contents match exactly with what we've got in our Google spreadsheet. My name is Lauren, going to be your instructor for this course. I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. This course is a response to several students that have asked me that they want to be able to download content and create files using JavaScript. We're going to show you how you can use JavaScript in order to update and create first a download of text file, and then also download of a CSV array data. And then lastly, we're going to take this project to a next level using fetch in order to fetch JSON object of a Google spreadsheet, output that new content into the CSV dynamically. And as you can see, whenever I change the content in Google Sheet and I go and I download the new CSV file, so now we're on CSV 12, and then we open that, and we got to make sure that we're opening it comma separated because it is a CSV file. You can see that it's opening up with that newly updated content. And this is all done through JavaScript. Also, all of the source code is included, so you can try it out for yourself and build your own version of this project. HTML and CSS are prerequisites to this course. We are going to be using JavaScript as much as possible, creating DOM manipulation, really focusing on what JavaScript can do. The core scope of this course is to demonstrate JavaScript in building files and structuring file content, making AJAX requests, working with JSON data, and also, again, structuring that JSON data into a usable array format. Fundamental core concepts of JavaScript are also a prerequisite to this course, and I do highly encourage you to work alongside the lessons to familiarize yourself with the content being presented in the course. I'm also always happy to answer any questions you may have in order to clarify any of the content and help you learn more about the course content. So I know you're excited to get started, so let's dive right in and start building this application.